Hi, fourth grade friends. All right, this is part 3 of our division lesson for the week. All right, this time I am going to use the same problem about Kate, except you are going to find out I've changed something slightly. All right, and if you watch part 2, I told you that in this video, you're going to find out that we might not be able to organize all of her cans into groups equally. Division is all about sharing things equally. Everybody has to have the same amount. Every box has to have the same number of cans. So I'm going to show you kind of what we do if that doesn't work out, if it doesn't work out where we can share things equally. And I'm going to introduce to you a vocabulary word too very soon. All right, so here's our problem. It's still about Kate, all right, except this time she has 38 cans. All right, so Kate has 38 cans. She has 4 boxes. She wants to organize these cans into the boxes so that each box has the same amount. We need to figure out how many cans there will be per box. So again, if I think about what is this problem about, this problem is about Kate. She's organizing cans equally into boxes. All right, so let's hear it again. Kate has 38 cans. She has 4 boxes. She wants to organize those cans into boxes so that each box has the same amount. How many cans will there be per box? All right, so what is this question asking us to find out? This question is asking us to find out how many cans there will be per box. So I'm going to mark that with my unknown. That's the thing I'm not sure of yet. All right, so again, one more time, Kate has 38 cans and 4 boxes. She wants to organize those cans into boxes so that every single box has the same number of cans. How many cans per box will Kate have? All right, now the important information, here's where I changed it up, and I'm sure you heard me, 38 cans in all this time. And I kept the number of boxes the same, 4. All right? All right, so I'm going to draw out these 4 boxes. All right? I'm going to draw out these 4 boxes. And again, you're going to find out next week that this really isn't going to be very efficient for you. But for these problems, this is efficient. This does help me solve it. But as we move into 4th grade division, you're not going to want to be able to, you will be able to do it. However, that is going to slow you way down. Okay, so in addition to learning 3rd grade division strategies, I also want you to be working on those basic facts. Okay, I want you to be able to tell me what 38 divided by 4 is without having to draw a picture. Okay, or if you were looking at part 1 and 2, I want you to be able to tell me what 36 divided by 9 or 36 divided by 4 is without having to draw pictures. Okay, so here are your strategies to get you thinking about that, but as you move through the week, I hope that we can get closer to not having to draw these pictures, okay? That's kind of your goal. All right, so let's get back to this problem. I have drawn out my 4 boxes. I'm going to move those 4 boxes over here into this part of my model, okay? And label it with the unknown, because this is what I'm not sure of yet, okay? I don't know how many cans I'm going to fit per box. Now, the last and final step is to divide these 38 cans equally amongst these boxes. And I'm going to emphasize equally this time. That's what division is all about, making sure that everybody gets the same amount or making sure that every box is getting the same number of cans. And I already hinted to you guys already that you're going to find that these 38 cans are not going to divide equally amongst these 4 boxes. There's going to be a few remaining or left over. Okay, it's called a remainder. All right, there's that fancy vocabulary term I want you to remember. All right, so here we go. I'm going to tally them into each box until I run out of cans. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, I'll know that I ran out of cans when I get to 38. All right, I'm at 20 right now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Uh-oh, what'd you notice? Yes, I was able to put 37, 38. However, did these 2 boxes get a can like these 2 did? They didn't. Remember, Kate wants to make sure that each box has the same number of cans. Okay, so we cannot actually put this can or this can in here. This is what I'm referring to as the remainder. There are 2 cans that aren't in the box. Okay, so when you answer this question, 38 divided by 4, the answer is still the number of cans that you put in each box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remainder 2. You can't leave these off. These still count, okay? So it's 9 remainder, and you can represent that with the letter R, 2. Now, what if I asked you how many boxes is Kate going to need? Okay? She originally had 4, but she needs to pack up all the cans. That remainder tells me that Kate is actually going to need to go and get 1 more box. If she's supposed to pack up all those cans, Kate is actually going to need an additional box. Okay, so she is actually going to need 5 boxes. All right, but I'm kind of jumping ahead. That's a little bit of a fourth grade skill there. Yes, so remainder. Those are the 2 that were left out. They don't have a box that they can go in, which tells us Kate's going to need to go and get more. And just a friendly reminder that this is a 3rd grade skill, okay? So you would have learned this last year with Miss Sherwood or Miss Kinney. I am getting us into division slowly. Next week, I'm hoping that we can move into some more 4th grade strategies. In addition to reviewing this, I want you to be practicing those math facts. I'll attach a multiplication chart with your printables to practice them. And I also really want you to do your iReady lessons, and I also am really encouraging you to do that additional practice on Flipgrid, all right? Alrighty, friends. I will see you on Flipgrid.